Imagine a billionaire, already running one of Asia's biggest empires, getting choked up as he shares the story of his single venture. One that didn't just make money, it changed how an entire country connects. In this chat with Yensing Huang, watch how Mukesh Ambani's face lights up as he talks about Jio. It's like you are seeing a kid unwrapping his dream toy. And that excitement, that's what helped Jio crush a cluttered market ruled by giants for decades. Because as a founder, you have to be obsessed, and it's the only way to build something that truly changes the game.
Jio user.
The Jio launched the
Reliance Jio.
Jio users.
Reliance Jio services.
Reliance Jio.
Jio's success wasn't easy for Mukesh Ambani either. It all began with a family fight. India, 2002. Dhirubhai Ambani, the founder of Reliance, passed away. He left behind the empire and a family fight. Two brothers, one massive company, and no plan how to split it. Mukesh, the elder son, got oil, gas, and petrochemicals. Anil, the younger one, got power, entertainment, and telecom. At that time, no one thought about it. Telecom was still about landlines, patchy 2G networks, and Mukesh was locked off telecom for 5 years because of the non-compete clause. But he waited, he watched, and he planned. While Anil's telecom company Reliance Communication stumbled along with slow network and high prices, Mukesh was laying the foundation for something bigger, something no one saw coming. By 2010, Mukesh was done waiting. He bought a tiny company called Infotel Broadband Service Limited. It didn't look like much, but here's the twist. Infotel had won 4G spectrum in every single circle in India. Overnight, Mukesh had the keys to India's digital future. Instead of playing catch up with 2G and 3G network, Mukesh skipped straight to 4G. He poured $25 billion to build the network from the scratch. Massive towers popped up in every city, town, and even villages. It was like laying down highways before there were even cars to drive on them. Meanwhile, let's talk about what the market actually looked like before Jio hit the scene. In 2015, India's telecom giant were making easy money. Airtel was the king, had 23 to 25% of the market with 240 million subscribers. Vodafone India, 18 to 20% with 185 million users. Idea Cellular was holding steady with 15 to 17% and 155 million subscribers. Beyond that, there were small players as well like Tata Teleservices, Aircel, Telenor and MTS. They all were scratching the surfaces. It was a crowded market, but everyone was fighting for a piece of India's mobile future. They all had a common problem. Call dropped constantly. Networks were congested and slow and frustrated, but no one really complained because honestly, no one even knew it could be different. Let's go back. It's September 5th, 2016. Jio was launched. You heard people whispering, "Are you on Jio?" Everyone was talking about one thing: free unlimited 4G data, free calls, and free SMSs.
They are providing 4G internet for free till 31st December, and after that it costs only 50 rupees per GB, and I'm looking only for 4G internet. That's why I'm here.
Doing the right things matter. We keep trying. जब तक हजारों फ्लेवर्स में से मनपसंद आइसक्रीम ना चुने। कई ब्रांड्स, कलर्स और साइजेस में से बेस्ट फिट ना मिले। Consider. The car has to be the best. Only the best. Unified. जब तक वो perfect TV, mobile या headphone ना मिले। Then why settle when it comes to a SIM card? I've tried Jio and loved it. It's game changing. My Jio app download या free call करें and get your welcome offer today. Come on India, Jio digitalized.
You probably didn't believe it at first, right? Because who gives anything for free? But Jio did. 6 months, no bills, unlimited data, unlimited calls. We didn't just experience the internet, we lived on it. All thanks to Jio's welcome offer that ran until March 2017.
Every new Geo user will get Geo's data, voice, video, and the full bouquet of Geo applications and content absolutely free.
And what happened next was pure madness. 50 million users in just 83 days. Yes, 5 crore users. 100 million users in 170 days. That is 600,000 people joining every single day. This wasn't a launch, this was a revolution. And we, you, me, and everyone, we were in the middle of it. Mukesh didn't just launch a telecom service, he launched a revolution. Before Jio, India had 355 million internet users in 2016, barely 27% of the population. Fast forward to 2014, India now has around 886 million active internet users and is set to cross 900 million by 2025. Jio didn't just connected people, it democratized the internet. It brought everyone online. Education, e-commerce, digital payments, streaming entertainment to everyone from metros to small villages. Here's where the real genius comes in. While other telecom players focused on only SIM cards, data packages, and SMS, Ambani was quietly building something bigger, the Jio ecosystem. Jio TV for free TV channels, Jio Cinema for movie and shows, Jio Savan for music, Jio Chat, Jio Cloud, Jio Health, and so much more. Every Jio user wasn't just a telecom customer anymore. They were a part of a complete digital world, one entirely owned by Jio. And the best part? Leaving Jio meant losing everything. Pure masterstroke. In less than 2 years, Jio turned India's telecom market upside down. Voice wasn't the king anymore, but data was. And Jio wasn't just a telecom company, it was a digital empire in the making. Because of Jio, mobile data prices crashed by 95%. In 2015, 1 GB data cost 226 rupees. By 2018, it dropped to 11 to 12 rupees. Today, India has the cheapest mobile data prices in the world, and India's internet usage, it exploded 50 folds between 2014 and 2018. Jio didn't just connected people, it empowered them. Kids in the village now take online classes. Small businesses reach customers across the country. Startups like Paytm, Swiggy, Skills found millions of users. Jio made digital dreams possible. The other telecom players scrambled. Airtel slashed prices and saw profits evaporating. Vodafone and Idea were forced to merge.
At the moment, Idea Cellular is in exploratory talks with Vodafone, looking at a strategic partner in the company.
Vodafone Idea merger has been approved, guys. This is breaking news.
Small players like Tata Teleservices and Aircel gone. Anil's Reliance Communication couldn't keep up and collapsed under debt. So, how did Mukesh pull this off? First, he skipped the past. No 2G or 3G baggage. Just pure 4G built entirely from scratch. Second, he didn't just build a telecom network, he built an entire ecosystem. Jio wasn't just selling SIM cards, it was owning every piece of India's digital life, from what you watch to what you bought. Third, he played the long game. Jio's prices were low. They didn't even cover the cost. But Mukesh didn't care. He knew that once people got to the cheap data, there was no going back. It was a land grab. And once they had the land, he could build whatever he wanted. Let's not forget the big partnership. In 2019, Mukesh put all the digital businesses under Jio platforms. Then he bought the big guns. Facebook, Google, Intel. Billions of dollars poured in, giving Jio a valuation of 65 billion US dollars. Facebook dropped 5.7 billions for just 10%. Google 4.5 billions for 7.7%. These weren't just investments, they were alliances. Suddenly, Jio wasn't just an Indian player, it was plugged into digital tech ecosystem. While all this was happening, Jio was already preparing for something next: 5G, investing early, testing network, laying even more fibers. This wasn't just about playing catch up anymore. It was about leading. And get this, Jio didn't just stop at building India's biggest digital network. They went global, laying massive undersea cables to connect India to the world. The India-Asia Express, or IAX, stretches eastward all the way to Singapore, with stops in Malaysia and Thailand. On the other side, there's the India-Europe Express, or IEX, reaching to Italy and even branching into Middle East and North Africa. It's like Jio turned India into digital crossroad of the world, a total power move. Today, Jio has over 450 million subscribers. It handles more than 60% of India's data traffic. It's not just the biggest telecom company, it's the backbone of India's digital economy. Mukesh didn't just win a telecom battle, he rewrote the rules. India went from one of the most expensive data markets to the cheapest, from 150 MB of data per user per month to 15 GB. From a nation where data was a luxury to one where it's as common as air. But it wasn't just about the numbers, it changed lives. Kids in the village could watch online classes. Farmers could sell products on digital platforms. Small shops became part of a digital payments boom. It was transformation. Of course, there were challenges. Airtel fought back hard and is still strong second. Vodafone Idea is still trying to survive. And the government is watching Jio's growth dominance closely, because when one company controls so much, it raises question. But Jio isn't stopping. 5G is just around the corner, and the Jio wants to own that future too. They are also looking for a global expansion, AI, cloud services, and IoT. To wrap it all up, the Jio story isn't just about cheaper internet, it's about daring to dream so big it scares your competitors. It's about taking insane risk where everyone else plays it safe. Investing in the future, not just in the quarterly profits. Building ecosystem, not just products. Ambani didn't wait for the future, he built it. From paying 250 rupees for 1 GB of data to streaming endless Netflix nights at 199. From watching telecom giants crumble to witnessing the entire nation come online. You and I didn't just watch this happen, we lived it, we felt it, and we were part of this revolution that turned India into one of the world's most connected nations, all because of one crazy, risky, and downright unbelievable bet: Jio. And here's the real twist: Jio's story, it's far from over. The next chapter, it's being written right now, and you and me, and we are all going to watch it happen again. That's all from my side today. If you have learned something valuable, hit that like button. It really helps YouTube happy. For more insightful business and tech case studies, subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.